does your haunt not have enough theming? This is boring. Do you need a light that's not actually bright enough to light anything up? Well, what you need is a tea light. This is a little bitty fake candle in case you don't want to actually have candles. The only problem is it looks really ugly. Now one way that we can make these little tea lights look a little bit better is we can use a lantern. Now you can just throw it in there and then pop it down where the wick used to be, and this will look really nice, but that might not fit your theme, or you might just not have a lantern. Where in that case, we're of course going to need some toilet paper. Okay, well not really toilet paper, but rather the cardboard roll that they come on. And you just kind of slip that guy on there, and then we can hot glue it in there. Ooh, so I've got the candle, and it's looking really nice with all the melted wax around the sides, but I can't actually turn it on because my finger can't reach in there. So I'm gonna trim this down a little bit so I can reach in there to turn it on. Now this is pretty nice on its own, but to make it a little bit better, I was thinking I could make just a tiny little plate for it with this plastic that I found. So now I've got it all made and it's looking really nice, except it doesn't really look like a candle. So we're gonna get this all painted white, and that should be looking pretty nice. Is this thing not having any pressure in it? Oh, come on! So we got this finally finished and all completed. So this is what it looks like.